Hey everybody, this is TJ Gavin and Tanner, and we're going to factor quadratic equations with a leading coefficient of 1. First off, we got a problem: x cubed plus 14x squared plus 49x equals 0. So what you first have to do is you take out the GCF of x, and you get x times the quantity x squared plus 14x plus 49 equals 0. And after that you have to factor, because you already took out your GCF, and you get a times c, which is, this is your a value, which is 1, and your c value, which is 49. And it has to add up to your b value, which is 14. So what you get is, we x factored it and got 7 and 7, so it comes out to x times the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 7 equals 0. And what you do is you set all the factors to 0 to get them by themselves. So x alone is x equals 0, and x plus 7 is equals 0, and x plus 7 equals 0. So what you have to do here is you subtract 7 from both sides, get x equals negative 7, and you get x equals negative 7. And here it's just x equals 0. So x either equals 0 or negative 7.
On to the next problem. Our second problem is 1x squared plus 4x minus 12, where 1x is the a, 4x is b, and negative 12 is c. So first you have to take a times c, which is negative 12, and a is 1. So whenever you multiply those, you get negative 12. And b, since in b is 4 in the equation, you just simply write 4 down there. You have to find the two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and that add to 4. These two numbers in this case is 6 and negative 2, because when multiplied equals negative 12 and when added equals 4. Then you have to put them in this form. To put these in this form, all you have to do is put x plus 6 times x minus 2. And since there was no 0 in this equation, you don't have to set them equal to 0 as in the last problem.
The next problem is x squared plus 15x equals negative 36x. Since it has an equal sign in it, you must get this side, the 36 on this side over to this side. So you add the 36 to this side, and you get x squared plus 15x equals 36. And your a value is 1, because there's a 1 in front of the x. Your b value is 15, and your c value is 36. So your a times c is 36, and your b is 15. You must find two numbers that multiply to get 36, but also add to get 15. And in this case, those numbers are 12 and 3. You take the 12 and 3, put them into this form, which is the quantity of x plus 12 and quantity of x plus 3. You set them equal to 0. You have x plus 12 equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. When you do that, you subtract 12 to this side to get x alone, and you get x equals negative 12. And on this one, you subtract negative 3 from this side to get negative 3. So that would be x equals negative 3. So your answer in this case would be x equals negative 12 or x equals negative 3.
Thank you for watching.